A newsletter with 340 subscribers is making $340 every single month. That's $1 per subscriber on autopilot using AI to write almost every word. Here's the exact system, start to finish. Everyone says email is dead. They're wrong. Email open rates for niche newsletters average 35 to 45%. That's 5 times higher than a social media post reach. The money isn't in having a million followers. It's in owning a small, specific audience that trusts you. The newsletter in this walkthrough targets one niche: productivity tools for freelance designers. That's it. Not AI tools broadly, not make money online. Freelance designers who want to work faster. Tight niche, loyal readers, and they have money to spend on software. Why does that matter? Because sponsors selling design tools will pay $50 to $100 per sponsored slot to reach exactly that audience. Even a small list converts. Niche specificity is your unfair advantage. Here's a fast framework. Open ChatGPT and type this exact prompt. List 20 specific professional niches that use software tools daily, have disposable income, and are underserved by existing newsletters. Run that. Pick 3 options that overlap with something you already know or use. Then validate them. Go to Sparkloop or Paved, 2 sponsor marketplaces, and search for advertisers in those niches. If there are at least 5 active sponsors paying for ad placements, the niche is monetizable. If nobody's buying ads there, move on. For this newsletter, freelance designers hit both marks. Adobe, Figma, Canva, and a dozen SaaS tools all run newsletter sponsorships. Validation took 8 minutes. That's your green light. You need 3 tools and you need to spend $0 to start. First, Beehiiv. Free plan supports up to 2,500 subscribers, includes a built-in website, and has a native ad network called Boost that pays you to grow. This is your publishing home. Second, ChatGPT or Claude for writing. Third, a free Canva account for a header graphic. That's the entire stack. No custom domain needed on day one. No paid tools, no excuses. Set up your Beehiiv account. Choose a name that signals the niche clearly. Something like Design Brief or The Pixel Pulse. And write a 2-sentence welcome email. Keep it human. Readers should feel like they joined a community, not a content machine. This is the part everyone wants. Here's the exact workflow for writing a full newsletter issue using AI in under 45 minutes. Step 1. Find 3 to 5 pieces of news or tool updates in your niche. Use Google News or set up a free Feedly account with 5 relevant RSS feeds. Spend 10 minutes scanning headlines. You're not reading everything. You're collecting raw material. Step 2. Open Claude and paste this prompt. You are a newsletter writer for freelance designers who love productivity tools. Here are 5 news items. Paste them. Write a 600-word newsletter issue with 3 sections: a quick intro, a main tool spotlight with a practical tip, and a rapid-fire section with 2 more short items. Use a conversational, slightly witty tone. No corporate language. Hit enter. You'll get a solid first draft in 30 seconds. Step 3. Edit for your voice. Change 2 or 3 sentences. Add 1 personal observation or opinion. This is what separates your newsletter from a generic AI dump. A point of view. Readers subscribe to people, not content. 15 minutes of editing and you're done. Step 4. Paste into Beehiiv. Add your header graphic, schedule it. Total time, 40 to 45 minutes. The first 100 subscribers are the hardest. Here's what actually worked. Post 1 tip from your newsletter on Reddit in the relevant subreddit. For this niche, that's audio, freelance, and audio graphic design. Don't promote, just provide value. Drop a line at the bottom. I write a free weekly newsletter on this. Link in bio if you want more. Second tactic, Beehiiv boosts. Other newsletters in adjacent niches pay you between 50 cents and $2 per new subscriber you send them, and they send you subscribers back. It's a growth loop built into the platform. Turn it on from day one. Third tactic, repurpose 1 section of each newsletter as a LinkedIn post or a Twitter thread using this ChatGPT prompt. Turn this newsletter section into a LinkedIn post under 200 words that ends with a question to drive comments. Consistent posting on one platform compounds over months. Subscribers 100 to 340 came from those three channels over about 4 months. No paid ads, no giveaways, no follow-for-follow schemes. Just consistent publishing and smart distribution. Here's exactly where the money comes from. Line 1, Beehiiv at Network. At 340 subscribers in a design niche, the platform serves automated ads and pays out roughly $80 to $100 per month. Passive. You do nothing extra. Line 2, one direct sponsorship per month. Reach out to tools your audience already uses. The pitch is simple. Type this into ChatGPT. Write a cold email to the marketing team at a B2B SaaS design tool, pitching a sponsored slot in a weekly newsletter for 340 freelance designers. Keep it under 150 words, lead with audience specificity, include a rate of $75 for one placement. Send that email to 5 tools per month. One will say yes. Line 3, affiliate links. Every tool you spotlight in your newsletter, link it with an affiliate code. Figma, Adobe, Notion, and dozens of others have affiliate programs paying 20 to 30% recurring commissions. At 340 engaged subscribers, even 2 or 3 conversions per month adds $60 to $80. Add it up. $90 at network, $75 direct sponsor, $65 affiliates. That's $230 on the low end, $340 on a good month. And it scales linearly. Double the subscribers, roughly double the revenue. Once you hit 500 subscribers, the math gets more interesting. Sponsors start paying $150 to $200 per placement for a proven, engaged list. You can run 2 sponsors per issue, one at the top, one at the bottom, without annoying readers if the products are genuinely relevant. Add a paid tier. Beehiiv has a built-in premium subscription feature. Offer one bonus section per week, a deep dive tool review, a prompt pack, a resource list, behind a $7 per month paywall. Even if only 5% of your list pays, that's 25 subscribers at $7 equals $175 million monthly recurring revenue on top of everything else. The compounding effect is real. At 1,000 subscribers in a targeted niche, $1,000 to $1,500 per month is a realistic, documented outcome. The work to get there is 4 months of consistent 45-minute Tuesdays. Right now, open ChatGPT and run this prompt. List 20 specific professional niches that use software tools daily, have disposable income, and are underserved by existing newsletters. Pick your top 3, check Paved or Sparkloop for active sponsors, and sign up for a free Beehiiv account before you close this tab. The system is built. Your job is to pick the niche and start issue 1.